Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.
Waddle do, waddle dee. Flowers blooming for you and me. Fly high, little frog.
In a meadow bright where blossoms sway, 5 cheerful ducks began their play, with petals soft beneath their feet.
Golden morning, the
They danced in rhythm, oh so sweet.
let's all sing a happy
The first with feathers of golden hue waddled forth to the morning dew. He quacked a tune that stirred the air as flowers opened with voice and flair. The second duck wore a coat of green. Amongst the tulips she stood serene. Her laughter echoed through bloom so fair, a symphony of joy beyond compare. The third was bold with a splash of blue. He splashed in puddles as sunshine broke free. With every ripple and glistening drop, the world felt lighter, oh it made hearts hop. The fourth duck pranced neath arching trees, whispering secrets to buzzing bees. Together they twirled in floral delight, a celebration from morning till night. Last came the one with the crown of red. She let her friends where wild roses spread. Through fragrant paths they wander and tuned. In each petal's embrace they found their home. As dusk drew near with a golden gleam,
Fly high,
they gathered
little
round
friend,
for
and
one
find the
final
sweetest
dream.
nectar for me.
Under stars that blink like eyes from above, 5 ducks united in laughter and love. So let us cherish those moments rare, when joy takes flight on the wings of care. For in this festival, in a meadow where the sun would play, lived 5 little ducks. Bright as the day, they quacked and waddled with joyful cheer, splashing in puddles without any fear. One morning as dew kissed each blade of grass, a shimmer appeared like magic it passed. Out from the mist with a glimmering horn came a unicorn proud, so wondrously born. The ducks gathered round with their curious eyes. Who are you? They asked beneath blue skies. With a voice like music that danced through the air, the unicorn smiled and said with flair,
I'm Luna, she spoke, a creature of dreams. I bring magic and light to your rivers and streams. Let's play together, let's sing by the brook. And off they all went, a delightful new book. They chased after rainbows that stretched far and wide, while Luna twirled gracefully, a radiant guide. Each duck took turns riding on her back high, as they soared through the clouds in a jubilant sky. But soon came dark clouds, the weather turned cold. With thunderous rumbles their courage was bold. Yet Luna stood firm while the lightning flashed bright. Together she called, we'll conquer this night. So hand in wing they braved every storm. The ducks learned of courage in friendship's warm form. Through trials united their spirits grew strong. With love as their shield they could do no wrong. When at last came the dawn with its golden embrace, the 5 little ducks found their magical place. Beside Luna's side under skies painted blue, a bond fortune wonder forever held true. A furry